Today, I'll walk you through how to hide slicers and filters in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your visuals so you can create a cleaner, more focused report. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all your data visualizations come to life. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply regardless of your version. Next, navigate to the View tab located in the top ribbon menu. This tab is your gateway to various display options. Much like choosing the right lens for a camera to capture the perfect shot, it helps you see your data in the best light. In the Show Panes section, check the box for selection. This will open up the selection pane, which is like a backstage pass to all the visuals in your report. Here, you can manage what's visible and what's not. Now, locate your slicer visual in the selection pane list. Slicers are essential for filtering data, but sometimes you might want to keep them hidden from the final presentation. To hide the slicer, simply click the eye icon next to the slicer name. When you do this, the icon will change to a slashed I, indicating that the slicer is now hidden from view. It's similar to closing the curtains on a stage to keep the audience focused on the main performance. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your slicers and filters in Power BI. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the clarity of your reports, allowing your audience to focus on the data that matters most. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.